Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday we solved the GK questions related to Rajasthan CHO, and today I came up with a bundle of MCQs which not only helpful for a Rajasthan CHO exams but for all CHO. So let's start our today's sessions. Okay, and in this I include the questions of a current affair, then general awareness. Okay, so let's start our question series. What is the annual financial assistance given to an eligible farmer under the PM Kishan scheme? So here our right answer is rupees 6,000. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Which state government has started a project to save the paper by using the digital medium for administrative work? So here our right answer is West Bengal. Okay. Next question. Who will participate in the interaction program with a student named Pariksha Pe Charcha scheduled for the year 2020? Okay, so here our right answer is Narendra Modi. Okay. Next question. What is the tagline for a World Health Day 2020? So here our right answer is support the nurses and midwives. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of World Intellectual Property Day 2020 celebrated on April 26? So here our right answer is innovated for a green future. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of World Tourism Day 2020 celebrated on September 27? So here our right answer is tourism and rural development. Next question. When is the World Heart Day celebrated annually? So here our right answer is September 27. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of International Day of the Girl 2020? So here our right answer is My Voice, Our Equal Future. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Space Explorations Day celebrated on July 20 is otherwise called as a which day? So here our right answer is it is called as a Moon Day. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. What is the theme of World Breastfeeding Week 2020? So here our right answer is support the breastfeeding for a healthier planet. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. When is the World Suicide Prevention Day observed across the world? So here our right answer is September 10. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Which day is observed by the Health Ministry on May 16 across the country? So here our right answer is National Dengue Day. B is the right answer. Next question. What is the theme of World Telecommunication and Information Society Day celebrated on May 17, 2020? So here our right answer is Connect 2030 ICTS for the Sustainable Developmental Goals SDGs. Okay, so A is the right answer. Next question. When is the World Hunger Day celebrated every year? So here our right answer is 28th May. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. What is the theme of Environment Day 2020? So here our right answer is celebrating the biodiversity. B is the right answer. Next question. May 18 is observed every year to acknowledge the medical community who are working to find a safe vaccines for which disease? So here our right answer is for AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay. Next question. What is the theme of World Milk Day 2020? So here our right answer is 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. D is the right answer. Next question. When is the Global Parents Day celebrated by the United Nations every year? So here our right answer is 1st June. Okay. B is the right answer. Next question. What is the Param Siddhi AI that was seen in the news recently? So it is a type of supercomputer. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. Arogya Shri scheme, which is an initiative to provide the free medical treatment to the poor, is the flagship scheme of which state? So here our right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. The second phase of intensified mission Indradhanush 2.0 began recently. What is the scheme associated with? So here our right answer is universal vaccinations. Okay, as you know that the mission Indradhanush is related to vaccination and immunizations. Okay, next question. Which state has recently launched an initiative to establish the hotel to provide the meals at a subsidized price called Kudumbashree Hotel? So here our right answer is Kerala. Okay. Next question. Pradhan Mantri Wan Dhan Yojana is the flagship scheme of which union minister? So here our right answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Niti Aayog has selected which union territory for the first pilot project on a sustainable developmental goal? So here our right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched the Rozgar Setu scheme for a skilled migrant worker? So here our right answer is for Madhya Pradesh. Okay, B is the right answer. Next question. Which union ministry launched the scheme named PLI, SPECS and EMC 2.0? So here our right answer is Ministry for Electronic and IT Information Technology. Okay. Next question. Sauni Yojana was launched by which Indian state that aims to provide the adequate drinking water? Okay. So here our right answer is Gujarat. Okay. Next question. What is the name of the project announced by Kerala for a rehabilitation of its people returning from abroad? So here our right answer is Dream Kerala. Okay. Next question. Which union ministry implements the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme? So here our right answer is Ministry of Food and Public Distribution. C is the right answer. Next question. What is the name of an online competition launched by the HRD Ministry and Health Ministry to identify the drugs against coronavirus? So here our right answer is Drug Discovery Hackathon. Okay. Next question. Which Indian state has launched a mobile van Dhanvantri Rath providing the essential healthcare services to the people? So here our right answer is Gujarat. Okay. Next question. What is the name of the healthcare supply chain portal launched by the Union government? So here our right answer is Arogya Path. Okay. B is the right answer. Next question. Which Indian state is said to launch a new initiative for school students named Ek Tu Khelo, Ek Tu Padho? Okay, so here our right answer is Tripura. Okay, next question. The corporation of which state has launched Mission Zero plan to combat the COVID-19? So here our right answer is Maharashtra. Okay. Next question. Which union ministry has launched Nasha Mukt Bharat Annual Action Plan 2020 to 2021? So here our right answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Okay. Next question. What is the name of a new scheme launched by the Science and Engineering Research Board to strengthen the research ecosystem? So here our right answer is Accelerated Vigyan. Okay. Next question. Which union ministry along with the Atal Innovation Mission has launched the Digital India Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge? So here our right answer is Ministry of Electronics and IT. Okay. Next question. What is the name of a camping launched by the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board to attract the tourism? So here our right answer is Intezar Aapka. Okay. A is the right answer. Next question. Which Indian state has provided about rupees 23,848 crore to its Panchayati Raj Institute and urban local bodies? So here our right answer is Orissa. Okay. Next question. Which Indian state has launched Navin Rozgar Chhatri Yojana? So here our right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. What is the new name of a Ministry of Human Resources and Development? So here our right answer is Ministry of Education. Okay. Next question. Which state has launched a cyber crime awareness program named E-Raksha Bandhan? So here our right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Next. Which Indian state has launched its own electrical vehicle policy? So here our right answer is New Delhi. Okay. Next question. Atal Innovation Mission has collaborated with which technology company to launch the Student Entrepreneurship Program 2.0? So here our right answer is Dell Technologies. Okay. Next question. The new project for a conversations of which two animal was referred by the Prime Minister in his Independence Day speech? So here our right answer is lion and dolphin. Okay. Next question. Under which national scheme the central government has recently sanctioned 670 electrical buses to Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat and Chandigarh? So here our right answer is FAME. Okay. C is the right answer. Next question. The foundation day of which scheme was celebrated as a Kaushalya se Kal Badhenge? So here our right answer is Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garib Kaushalya Yojana. Okay. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana. B is the right answer. Next question. Artificial intelligence and machine learning has been introduced recently in which portal of MSME Ministry? So here our right answer is Champions. D is the right answer. Okay. Next question. As of today, how many Khelo India State Centers of Excellence have been selected by a Sports Ministry? So here our right answer is 24 state was selected by a Sports Ministry. Okay. Next question. Which Union Ministry has launched E-Dharti Geo portal? So here our right answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay. Next question. Sub-Power scheme has been launched by a government targeting which segment? So here our right answer is women scientist. Okay. So here we finished current affairs which are important for all CHO exams including Rajasthan CHO, UP CHO, MP CHO, Uttarakhand CHO. Okay. So please watch this video before you appear for exams. Okay. And if you get benefit, then please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.